Do you walk into work and feel tension in the air? Perhaps confusion? Low energy? You might be part of a dysfunctional organization. And the scary thing is, most people don't realize it until the damage is done. In this episode, I'm breaking down what dysfunction in an organization actually looks like and how great leaders can fix it. So, let's get to it. Dysfunction doesn't always show up as yelling or slammed doors. It's often quieter, but just as risky. The common signs of dysfunction include poor communication, emails ignored, confusion around roles, blame culture. No one takes ownership, everyone passes the buck, low morale, employees disengage, and high turnover becomes the norm, micromanagement, or total lack of leadership, and silo departments that never collaborate. For example, at Yahoo, constant leadership changes, unclear strategy, and poor communication created a culture of instability. The result? Missed innovation opportunities and eventual irrelevance. The key point here is dysfunction compounds over time. If not addressed, it doesn't just impact morale, it kills productivity and profitability. To fix dysfunction, you have to know what's causing it. The four common root causes are lack of clear vision or values, inconsistent leadership or toxic managers, poor hiring practices, bringing in people who aren't a cultural fit, and fear based environments where people are afraid to speak up or take initiative. For example, at Uber, prior to 2017, culture prioritized aggressive growth over ethics or inclusion. The results? Scandal, lawsuits, and eventual resignation of its CEO. The lesson here? Culture always starts at the top. Here's the good news: dysfunction can be reversed, but only with strong, consistent leadership. The steps to fix dysfunction are as follows. 1. Own it publicly. Leaders must acknowledge the problems honestly and with no sugarcoating. And the tone needs to be set for transparency. 2. Reset the culture. Reestablish values that align with vision and people. For example, Satya Nadella at Microsoft emphasized empathy, collaboration, and growth mindset, turning around an empire. 3. Audit your leadership. Toxic managers? Either train them or let them go. Promote emotionally intelligent and humble leaders who are able to lift others up. 4. Rebuild communication channels. Daily stand ups, cross functional check ins, and anonymous feedback. Create safe spaces for employees to speak their minds. And 5. Hire with culture in mind. Skill can be taught. Mindset and alignment with values, that's harder to train. You can't fix dysfunction without first rebuilding trust. And trust starts with action, not slogans. When the turnaround is done properly, the difference is night and day. Indicators of healthy organizations include people are engaged and proactive, not just compliant. Teams collaborate without turf wars. Conflict is handled constructively, not personally. And high performers stay and refer others. For example, when Airbnb hit cultural turbulence, they created internal committees improved transparency, and adjusted leadership styles. Today, it's one of the most admired cultures in Silicon Valley. A thriving culture doesn't happen by accident. It's engineered with intention. Whether you're a solo founder or running a 500-person company, dysfunction can creep in quietly, but fixing it starts with awareness and action. Your team, your product, your profits, they all depend on a healthy, high performing culture. If you found this video insightful, kindly smash that like button, subscribe for more practical business wisdom, and share this information with anyone who may benefit from it. Until the next episode, stay organized and stay savvy.